And finally, we are in San Francisco attending Photonics West. And presenting you our new product, Jasper Micro. Jasper Micro is our new laser product with 5 watts of average power at 1 megahertz and 5 microjoules of energy. As you can see, it is like a very compact laser, very compact tool. If you don't want to spend a fortune on your laser source, or you don't need to have a lot of power out of energy, this is the laser to have. This is a laser for applications like micromachining, microstructuring, but also ophthalmology and medical applications. So if this is something of your interest, come and talk to us. We'll be happy to tell you more. We'll tell you about the fiber technology that we use inside the laser and about the advantages that you can have thanks to having laser like that.